Nothing is an offense under the law except what the law stated to be an offense. Even under the Firearms Act, if you fashion out anything that doesn't even look, that is not metal, that like a wood, and make it to look like a gun, and you use that guises to take possession of property for another person, you have committed armed robbery. So by pointing out a stun gun to another individual, I'm sending that threat and fear to such a person at that particular time constitutes an offense. So, and the law stating the offense, like I said earlier, will say the procedure for which an offender should be treated and it should be passed through. So the police, we are not doing our things, we are doing everything in line with the law, and in line of the extant provision of the Constitution creating the police force and the Police Act and other regulations that we are abiding with in carrying out our day-to-day activities. So the person is still under investigation, though he has been granted bail, but we'll continue the investigation and make the outcome of investigation public to all Nigerians to know.